Hey there, I'm Cedric, and I'm here to share my persuasive speech on all about building your own server through Discord. Such a good. Has anyone here ever thought about what it's like to build a better community through each social you use? For example, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter? Well, Discord has all of your answers. Listen, Rose. You see, the reason why I plan on sharing this is because I was planning just by making my own server come alive through the hobbies I do and the interest which best suits me. For instance, music, basketball, comedy, cartoons, and movies. Personal credibility. Ever since I was little, both of my parents once told me that same goes as my teachers, that I can still be creative no matter what. It's also true. So since I chose Discord, I started building up my own imagination. I went through many servers. Some are cool, as for others, the worst. But until then, I began making my own server since mid-August. That right there is creative, like no point taken. Thesis. If you ever think about making your own server come to life, then take my advice. Start fresh by growing your own community and find those who can support it. Simple as that. Neat. There are like so many servers to choose from. A. The need of this situation is by finding the right activities which suits you. If you ever think about finding cool servers that match your interests, then it's best if you try out any recommendations. For example, Memeology or Groovy, only if you're into music. According to activities on Discord, it says here that the supporters are now announcing activities, where you can simply select any fun activities which suits you. The main material will be if you want your friend to join the fun with you, the best thing to do is join voice channel and play whatever games there is. B. The only problem is though is to be real careful for trolls who are trying to screw you in each server you are in. According to how do you troll on Discord servers? So it says that you can actually get banned the more you keep on trolling, and it is sad. That is why it isn't a great idea to do it to others. Because even if you did, then you may lose some friends. According to the good disorders sovereignty, it says a few things that could happen. Like if you keep pinning those mods whenever they're busy, or you are just pinning those members. But most importantly, if you always request them to create an NSFW channel, that's another way to troll, and it isn't such a good part. Satisfaction. The place to hang out, party, even do homework in. In order to stay out of trouble, use Discord carefully. Therefore, don't go there just to do pranks or harass anyone. Only go there just to do work and have fun. The way to be implemented is by when someone did something that you don't really like, you can either leave the server, the group, or block them. Also, find ones that won't mess with you. It can be your cousins, friends, siblings, or people that you know from school. Plan on taking Discord while building servers seriously. Don't invite the bad people. Only invite the good people, which is really nice. You can, however, set some roles and create separate channels in each category. Most importantly, if you see someone trolling your server, give them a warning or kick them out. Visualization. 8. Let me demonstrate of how long you spend time on Discord and the better way to not get caught, aware that we are doing is so unnecessary. For example, Discord is mostly the kinds of social media for gamers, unlike Twitch, PlayStation, and Xbox. To me, I only been on Discord frequently, but as for other apps like Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, well, for Instagram, just like 1 to 5 minutes. For Snapchat, occasionally 1 to 2 hours. Even Twitter, every 30 to 50 seconds. Anyways, I know that I can't trust my parents that will stop all my foolishness and be smart about it. Every night I made a promise to my parents that I won't send them money or chat to either strangers who I don't know. Most importantly, never fall for dangerous pranks. Like I really learned to not go through that. And you can too. Lastly, we all know that social media can be fun and most dangerous tool. So I would reconsider, as they always say, think before you speak, whenever you came to meet new people online. Like seriously, everything we do or what we say does count as a crime, and it can lead you somewhere far away. Conclusion. Summarizing censoring. In brief, if you want to continue building your server and have fun in that app, then the best thing to do is avoid danger and convince your parents that you will take every social seriously. To me, I did this the stronger way, just by listening to my aunt. For example, maybe those bad people are trying to fraud me, and it may not be just like y'all. Restate action. If you think of what I said is wrong, then why not check of whatever they are about to do to you, instead of taking my word for it. Bibliography, how you troll on this. Okay, I think that's it.